I got a very exciting announcement today for the summer solstice. I hope you had a wonderful sunrise. Maybe you were able to tune in to the live stream for the Spiral Dance Medicine Wheel for the summer solstice. If not, you can find the replay on YouTube. And today the summer solstice is occurring at 3:50 p.m. Central Time. And that is the exact moment that my new music video for Save Our Shoal will be released. So I'm going to have the link posted somewhere on the page here. And I'll be tuning in at 3:50 or a few minutes before so we can watch together. This is my second music video. And my daughter, Yubia Rosa, is the director and the camera woman, and she came up with the idea, actually. Okay, so maybe I'll see you today at 3:50 p.m. Central Time on the link that's provided for you. Okay, thanks for your support. I'm really excited. Another announcement, if you're in the Chicago area, tonight at 5 p.m. is the community open house with the officials, the one who want to destroy and develop the most beautiful spot in Chicago, Pebble Beach. The meeting's at 5 p.m. You get more information at morganshoalpebblebeach.weebly.com or tachia.com/saveourshoal. One love.